Okay, so that wraps up this course. I'm so excited for you that you got this far. I'm so proud of you that you got this far. You should now have a good foundational uh, level of knowledge about SQL Server that you can build on. From here, you want to make sure as a developer that you focus on the following three things immediately, and then you can move on from there. The first thing that I think you should focus on is database design. We glossed over relational database management theory. We didn't talk about who COD was. We didn't talk about the rules of normalization. Just kind of said, hey, one table is related to another. There you go. But there's a lot more to it than that. So you want to focus on how to design databases. Then you want to look at the advanced T-SQL course, where you will go beyond the simple selects and inserts that we did in this course and learn more like the sorts of things that we did at the very end with the bonus questions I threw out to you, like count and what was the other one? Sum. Well, there's a ton of functions. There's a ton of different ways to group, slice, and dice data, and you'll want to learn those as well. The third thing as a developer you're going to want to learn about are function views, stored procedures, and triggers. A course unto itself. These are database objects that will provide a layer of programming and security around the data. And developers often use these in order to protect the data, encapsulate some rules around the data, and so forth. So you definitely want to learn about that. Then there's some optional courses depending on what direction you want to go. If you want to be more DevOps, more administrative minded, you want to learn about security from the security series, administration from the SQL Server administration series. If you're looking for optimization, we're going to talk about indexes, query plans, and optimization. There are also some special data types that you can work with that require a little bit of extra information. Data types like XML, JSON, and blobs. Working with those inside of SQL Server. JSON is exciting. It's the new feature, one of the new features in SQL Server 2016. The ability to take a JSON document, parse it apart, save it, or do a select and return a JSON document from SQL Server to out to the client. And then, assuming that you find your way through all of that, and you want to learn more about cloud persistence, well, there's a bunch of different ways you can go with that. We have an Azure SQL series, Azure Tables, Blobs, and Queues series, Azure Document DB, the NoSQL offering from Microsoft. So there's a lot more to learn with regards to persistence, and I haven't completed those just yet as I'm recording this video. If you don't see them on the DevU website, they're coming. Don't worry, I'll get to them, and hopefully you can add that to your knowledge until you're pretty much beyond me, and you can move on from here and find another resource or just go off and start building stuff, right? So again, proud of you. Congratulations. Keep pushing forward. You're doing great, and we'll see you in the next course. Thank you.